You have lower back pain when you're standing. Here are 3 ways that you can fix that. First things first, you're gonna stand with your butt clenched under you, so kind of tuck your tail. That's gonna be really helpful to alleviate that low back. Number 2, you're gonna put your foot on a stool or something that's elevated. That's gonna help alleviate some lower back pain. And number 3, if you're not embarrassed and you're standing in the grocery line, just bend down and get that relief from your lower back. What's up everyone? My name is Dr. Justin Lee, physical therapist here at Village Fitness and Physical Therapy. And in this video, I'm gonna talk all about why you have low back pain when you're standing. So why most people have pain when they're standing is because the biggest problem is the posture. Now we know as far as the back goes, there's supposed to be a nice little curve in the back. But for most people, the curve is accentuated and now we're in this compressive position in the lower back. Why does that happen? Really quick, for most of us, we sit all the time. Muscles in the front get tight, that pulls our back forward and causes this lower back. So if we know that this lower back gets compressed while we're standing, how do we alleviate that? We do the opposite. So number 1, I talked about, hey, you know what? Let's tuck that tail under from a compressive position and release that compressive position. So that's gonna make you feel a little bit more relief in that standing position. All you have to do when you tuck the tail under, try to think about squeezing your butt muscles. Squeeze them as hard as you can, and that's gonna really help you tuck them under. Really easy cue for that. Number 2, I talked about putting your foot on something. When you put your foot on something, that kind of mimics that sitting position, which puts some relief on that back. Now, in a previous video, I talked about pain relief when sitting, and what happens is when you sit, your back goes into a flexed position. So if we know, hey, arching hurts, all we need to do is flex it to do the opposite. Putting your foot on there is gonna be helpful for that. Number 3, same thing, right? Back is arched and compressed. What do we do as an opposite? We bend all the way down and things feel really good. So pretty much as a basic principle, all we're trying to do is the opposite of this motion. And if you're standing and you're looking yourself in the mirror and you notice, hey, my tail is out, my butt is a little bit out there. Is that a good thing or not a good thing? Well, I'll let you decide. But as a physical therapist point of view, that is not a good thing. So we need to fix that and get you into a more neutral spine position so that you can alleviate some back pain there. Try those exercises out, and if they were helpful, awesome. But if not, hey, here's a bonus to help you out with your low back pain. You might need some professional help. If you've been standing for a long time and it just hasn't been getting any better, you've been doing these exercises and still getting that sharp jarring pain, you might need to see a doctor or physical therapist. Here at Village and Physical Therapy, you can see myself with the other doctors of PT, and we can help you out. All you need to do is fill out the form in the description below, and someone will get in contact with you, and we will see you shortly. I'll see you in the next video.